What's up, you guys? It's Izzy and stuff here, and today I'm going to be doing a collaboration with Wolf Queen. She's an amazing artist, so I highly recommend that you go check her out. So our theme was basically making our favorite cartoon characters a different gender. So I am doing Kiba Inuzuka, the one and only. It was really hard, but I did have a lot of fun doing it. Once again, sorry you guys, the recording cut out, but yeah, please go check her out. The link will be in the description. So yeah, I did use that picture as inspiration, the one where he's like pointing at you with his hand on his hip. I just thought that was sassy, and overall he is sassy, so I wanted to give him kind of like a sassy character look. Overall, I think I did capture the element of Kiba. And yeah, once again, I had a lot of fun doing this. So I hope you enjoyed. Once again, please make sure to go check out Wolf Queen's channel, link in the description. And yeah, I'll leave you here. Bye-bye.